Hi everyone, welcome back to another WIRRU Power Makeup. This time it's Team Rocket James. Here's the costume. There's not much to it, so most of this transformation is just about the face and wig. First things first, let's get dressed. And then face salvaging begins with blocking the eyebrows, and then priming, checking on the eyebrows, pore filling, which is like filling the potholes that are on my face, color correcting for my colossal eye bags, more color correcting because my face is wrong, concealing my eyebrows and then realizing I look like a murderer, locking in that sweet murderer look with some foundation, concealer on the rest of the face, Simba. Bash that in, conceal that stubble, then it's just smooth sailing to make myself look like a pale, featureless anime bishi by smushing foundation everywhere. Bash that all in with some powder. Then it's time to use some contouring to give myself that handsome jawline I was sadly not blessed with at birth. Then I go and add some fabulousness to my eyes with some eyeshadow, eye contouring, and eyeliner. I don't really have a set method, it's just wherever my mood takes me that day, but I do like to add some pink under my eyes and some silver at the bottom of my eyes as well. It just makes me look a little bit more awake. Then I color my eyebrows to the closest color that can match my wig. Yay! And another pop of color underneath my eyes because I look extra sleepy this day. Lens time! Not to brag or anything, but I'm pretty good at poking things in my eye. Wig time! I don't deal very well with hairnets, so what I prefer to do is to gel and pin my hair back, then apply some glue stick onto my hairline and stick the goddamn thing directly onto my head. Just making sure it looks fabulous here, and then gluing the side of the lace into my face. On to the easy part, which is the costume, which is just a jacket. Slap that over the shoulder. Gloves. Feeling pretty fabulous here if I say so myself. Pants. Hot. And a final hairspray to freeze everything in place and reminding myself not to breathe in here. And ta-da! That is my transformation sequence into Team Rocket James from Pokemon. I hope you had fun watching this and maybe got some ideas for your own cosplay as well. If you enjoy my work, please check out my other videos, consider joining the Crafty Squad on Patreon, or checking out my books and patterns on akwirru.com. Big thank you to my Crafty Squad on Patreon, with special thanks to Make Them Awesome, Chad Omiya, Just Believe Cosplay, Senori, Animessa, Natalie, Sylvia, and Selexia Talon. I hope to see you in the next video very soon, but in the meantime, stay crafty.